Hey everybody, Mike here. This is week 4 of the Eat, Sleep, Mix, Repeat recipe month, and I tell you, it has been a blast doing this. You guys have all done a really good job. Opened my eyes to a lot of new vapes, um, vape things that I've never vaped before, and it's fun. I've really enjoyed this whole experience. But today we have the last 4. We have, let's see here. We have Shark's OCCD recipe. We have CoilHead's Black Castle, Liam Davey's. Oh man, I put his name in there twice. Uh, his was the 123 custard, and then we got Jeff Porter's salted rye 4 double. All very good guys. Alright, so let's get right into it. Let's start out with Mud Shark's recipe, the 123 custard. I got that in my Doge. This recipe reads TFA Bavarian cream at 3%, Flavor Art custard at 1%, Cap vanilla custard at 3%, vanilla swirl TFA at 2%, Flavor Art Vienna cream at 2%, and whipped marshmallow Silverline Capella at 3%. It's a really smooth, really nice vanilla. It's that whipped marshmallow really puts in a nice fluffy, airy note to it. It's a really nice vape. It's real smooth. You get no throat hit whatsoever. Yeah, it's got a real nice vanilla note in there. It's really good. It's just there's so many custards. You know what I mean? There's so many of them. Well, this one is really nice. It is really nice. I like it a lot. I don't think there's anything bad with it. It's just I've so many custards. It's good. It's good. I like it. Just wet my wick a little bit more. I was vaping all these throughout the week in my tank without changing my cotton or anything. And so today I reworked all my atomizers and I was giving them one more go. Not really fair to judge a flavor using a tank. Yeah, it's real nice. I'd like it. I'd like I like a little bit more to a custard. I'd like to have like a blueberry or a strawberry or some kind of a nut aspect, something that gives it a little something more to grasp onto. But that's just me. It'd be a real easy all day vape. I did vape this all day Tuesday, I want to say it was. Real nice. Real nice. Good job. I'm gonna give this about 3.5 stars. It's good. It's good. I just wish there was more for it to hold on to. But that's just me. Real nice vape. I highly recommend you guys mixing it up. Alright, next one we're gonna do Mud Shark's OCCD. Sorry guys, I am like all confused here. I got 4 drippers, 3 atomizer, or three mods. Trying to keep everything organized. I got a little cheat sheet here. It's been a long day. I was gonna do this tomorrow, but I got work tomorrow, unfortunately. So, OCCD. Alright, this one reads 1% Capella Buttercream, 1% Capella Cinnamon Danish Swirl, 1.5% Lorenz Cream Cheese Icing, 6.5% TFA Oatmeal Cookie, 0.5% Capella Super Sweet, and 4% Capella Vanilla Cupcake. I saw this one. I was like, oh, an oatmeal cookie. Those are like my favorite cookies. Like my favorite cookies. The cheap ones you get at Aldi's. I really wanted to like this one. I was so excited when I saw the profile, read the recipe. I thought it was gonna be really good. But I get a lot of icing with it. You know, all I can really taste is the icing, and even with the oatmeal cookie up at 6.5%. But it's really nice. It's really nice. But I don't know if cookies really translate well into a vape. Maybe it's just me. But it's really nice. But on a lot of what I'm getting is the cream cheese and the buttercream. Which, I mean, it's not bad. I was just kind of hoping for a more cookie. I don't think the oatmeal cookie is really doing it. It is really good though. I mean, it does taste good. So, I'll give you props there. It's a really nice vape. And for me, anytime I use the Lorenz cream cheese icing, it seems to always take over. You know, it always, I don't know if it's something with my taste buds or whatnot, but it's like that just swallows everything up, and then I hardly get any flavor out of any vape I make with it. But I don't know. I don't know. That's been my experience in all the recipes that I've made with it. Also, I don't even use it a whole lot anymore because of that. But for me, I get a real nice icing. The icing is really good. Nailed the icing. I just wish I could taste more cookie on it. And I don't know what we can really do to help that, but maybe I'll try to make a better cookie. I just tested a bunch of cookies and they don't have the, you know, like the crunch that I'd like to, you know, the depth. So I don't know, maybe I'll find a good cookie combination. But it's real nice. It's real smooth. It's not harsh or anything like that. Got a nice sweet taste on your tongue. I like it. It's good. It's just lacking in the cookie department. I give this one about 3 stars. Yeah. That icing is good though. It's just unfortunate that it just takes over everything. for me. Alright, next one we'll do is Black Castle version 2, and that is on my dead rabbit, which means I gotta switch. Of course I can't get the damn thing off. Alright. There we go. Take it off that one. I need another mod. If we're going to be doing 4 recipes, I need to get me another mod. Re-wet this again. Now, I'm pretty sure this is a clone recipe. I have seen many clones out for Black Castle. I've never actually had the original juice. I have had another recipe that I've mixed up that was it reminded me of the Boss Reserve clone made by Solo, which is kind of like a banana peanut buttery type recipe, which this is also. Alright, so this recipe has TFA banana cream at 2%, TFA caramel original at 4%, Flavor Art custard at 3%, DX peanut butter TFA at 3.25%, TFA ripe banana at 0.25%, vanilla bean ice cream TFA at 4.5%, and Capella vanilla custard at 3%. This is really nice. I like this recipe a lot. It's real smooth. You get the banana and the caramel and the peanut butter just work together real well. And then you got the nice smooth ice cream custard. I really like this one a lot. This one's really, really good. It reminded me so much of that Solo guy's recipe. I had to go look it up and check it out because it's almost spot on to that, but the ingredients and the percentages were different. But yeah, this is really nice. Really nice, really good. The banana's smooth throughout the whole vape. Peanut butter just kind of there for a little bit of texture. It's nice. Really, really good job on this one, CoilHead. So this one's right up my alley. I liked it a lot. I'm gonna give this one a solid 4 stars. Real nice, maybe even 4.5. It's good. I like it. Mix it up. I ain't got nothing bad to say about that one. Really good. Well put together. And the last one, it was really hard to make my final decision between that Black Castle and the Salted Rye 4 Double by Jeff. But this is my recipe of the week. And it reads, just had to juice up the coils. Salted Rye 4D Caramel. We got Flavor West Butterscotch Ripple at 2%. TFA Cheesecake Graham Crust at 2%. TFA Rye 4 Double at 5%. Flavor West Salted Caramel at 5%. And Capella Vanilla Bean Ice Cream at 3%. I like this. I love this one. It's got that full, dense mouthfeel that I'm looking for a vape. I like the I like it when it's full bodied. It's got a great mouthfeel on it. I like butterscotch and caramel and cheesecake and rye 4 double. And who doesn't like ice cream? It's perfect. I love it. Yeah, it's good. It's real good. Definitely recommend mixing this one up. So yeah, that's my favorite recipe of this week. This has been fun, guys. This has been fun. Mixing up everybody's recipes, getting to see how everybody else is mixing, and seeing how well all of us are growing in the mixing industry. So yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Well, now it's off to the final judgment. We're gonna pick a overall winner, and we'll be announcing that information soon. So thanks for all the recipes, you guys. I've enjoyed it, and you guys just keep on doing a bang up job. Until next time, eat, sleep, mix, repeat. Bye.